Hello everybody, in today's video I'll be explaining how to clear cache in the Tempo app step by step. Tempo is a creative video editing app that helps users create stylish short videos using templates, effects and music sync. Over time, cache data can build up and cause issues like app lag, loading errors or crashes. Clearing the cached app improves app performance without deleting your project or the account. First, you need to open to your Tempo app and make sure the app loads completely and you are on the home screen. And after that, go to your profile in the bottom right. And once you reach into this profile page, you need to look for the setting option commonly shown with a gear icon in the top right. And over here, what you can do is once you reach into the setting interface, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the clear cache automatically just below the app information. What you can do is simply toggle on this icon, and over here Tempo will clear temporary files stored by the app, and this will not delete your project, video or the account data. And that is it. This is how you can clear cache in the Tempo app easily and safely. Clearing cache help improve performance and fix minor app issues without losing any important data. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries or comments, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.